My Microtech Troodon collection. So right here, this is a different ones. Some of them older, some of them newer. And this side here, Troodon, OTF, Microtech. And this is a Hellhound. These things are nice. There is the 7 2018. These things sells out so fast, it's really hard to get them. So that's my first one. There's another vintage one. This one is green, Hellhound. A beautiful blade, as you can see, with holes. It's just so rustic, so unique. By the way, this is double action first pull and a harder second pull. Yeah, that's beautiful. This one is 07 2018 as well. As you can see, the box a little bit older. Okay, next. This one looks like a newer one. Troodon, Hellhound. Beautiful. Serial number 05 2022. So this is in that kind of color and everything. This is signature. Looks like a series. You see with the morphine, and the fact that it's a number 5 serial number is very collectible. This thing's hard to get, any kind of number. The fact that it's a number 5 Hellhound, even better, even harder to find. So these things appreciate all the time. That's why people collect them. Paid for this one $500 some. This one orange, but this one a little bit different. This is like a regular, look like a kitchen knife. I really love the orange look of a knife. Couple more over here. This one is pretty nice too. So let's read about it. This is like a dagger style, and if you like serrated blade, you got on one side serrated blade and the standard on the other one. Troodon signature series carbon fiber top. That's what they're talking about, carbon fiber. Pretty lightweight compared to the other one. Bronze apocalyptic full serrated on one side. And serial number M390 steel. Signature series, serial number 418. That's a nice one. But you see, because it's a 500 serial number, not as collectible. If it's, you know, 5, 1, 2, it's a lot better. But it's cool too. Troodon Bowie apocalyptic standard. What do you mean by Bowie? Same thing, big green, 08 2022. I guess serial number is right here. I was looking for it. There you go. M390 steel. There is the Bowie blade. This one's are pretty rare as well. I love that. And it's a window breaker. Really cool. Sometimes they put serial numbers in different places. Yeah, there's a serial number 380099. So that is my collection of Troodons. Yeah, there's a lot of different kinds. That's a very small one collection.